Hello students, today we will study about the common salt, which is also known as just salt. The common salt is a white powder which is used in preparing food, especially vegetables and pulses. The chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride and its chemical formula is NaCl. It is a neutral salt which is obtained in the laboratory by the combination of a strong base, sodium hydroxide, and a strong acid, hydrochloric acid. The sodium chloride solution formed here can be evaporated to obtain sodium chloride salt. But sodium chloride is never made in this way on a large scale. This is because sodium chloride is present in nature in abundance. The common salt occurs naturally in dissolved form in seawater and in solid form as rock salt. Let us first study how the common salt is obtained from the seawater. The seawater contains many dissolved salts in it. The major salt present in seawater is common salt. It is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation. Now, how exactly it is done? The seawater is trapped in large, shallow pools and allowed to stand there. The sun's heat evaporates the water slowly and the common salt is left behind. Since it is impure because it has some other salts mixed in it, so it is purified to obtain pure common salt. Let us now study about how this common salt is obtained from the underground deposits. Underground deposits of common salt are found in many parts of the world. The large crystals of common salt found in underground deposits are called rock salts, which are generally brown due to the presence of impurities in it. Rock salt is mined from the underground deposits just like coal. The rock salt which we dig out today from the earth was formed when the ancient seas dried up by evaporation thousands of years ago. Some of the important uses of the common salt are: the common salt is used as a raw material for making a large number of useful chemicals in the industry, such as sodium hydroxide, which is also known as caustic soda, sodium carbonate, which is also known as washing soda, and sodium bicarbonate, which is also known as baking soda. It is also used as a raw material for making hydrochloric acid, hydrogen, chlorine, and sodium metal. The common salt is used in cooking food. It improves the flavor of food. The common salt is required by our body for the working of the nervous system, the movement of muscles, and production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach for the digestion of food. The common salt is used as a preservative in pickles. It is also used in the manufacture of soap, and the common salt is used to melt ice which collects on the roads during the winter in cold countries.